Hello, my name is Robert and I will present you the tool Loqui. As you can see, we are on a normal website. Under the tab Start, we can set the level, the language which we would like to learn, our own language. Under Scenarios, we have a couple of different options. Under User Defined, we can either prompt the model ourselves or drag and drop the prompt made by someone else. But let's go for now with the classical scenario, the restaurant visit. Initialize over the button Start.
You are visiting a restaurant.
You will be automatically guided to the conversation. The conversation has two groups, the conversation group and the translation group. We start in the conversation group by recording hello, and we can send over the arrow.
Hello, welcome to our restaurant. Do you have a reservation with us today?
Let's assume I don't know how to answer in English. Then I can go to the translation and record. Ja, ich habe eine Reservation auf den Namen Robert Füllemann. I can make here any changes. Send.
Yes, I have a reservation under the name Robert.
And then say it myself. Yes, I have a reservation under the name Robert. Let's assume I made a mistake. I can correct. Send.
Great, let me check that for you. How many people are in your party today, Robert?
After the conversation, it can be analyzed over the Analysis tab and generated. As you can see, the error got spotted, corrected, and here's the reasoning what and why it's wrong. The conversation as well as the analysis can then be downloaded as a PDF.